Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily insert a disc in the Xbox Series X. Now the reason why you need to insert a disc is usually to check the license of the game, and let's get started. So first of all, you want to get the disc right here, make sure it's clean, there's no like marks, and what you want to do is you want the game cover to be on the left side, and on the right side the empty space. And what you do is you insert it just like that. There we go. And you'll read the game. On the Xbox, you should see the game show up. If you've inserted the disc before, you should be able to play the game, but usually you might have to wait up to 5 seconds. So you can see the game is auto-loading and it's going to the Xbox 360 mode. Now to eject the disc, there's a black button above here. You just want to press that and it should eject, just like that. Now if your Xbox Series X is in the wrong rotation, so currently mine is portrait, but if it's landscape, have a think. So if it's landscape on the left side, you rotate the disc just like that. And if it's on the right side, you rotate the disc just like that. And that's how you insert the disc in your Xbox Series X. As for the one person who uses the Xbox Series X the wrong way around, then you insert your disc like that. So think about it. If you rotated it 90 degrees to the left, you rotate the disc 90 degrees to the left. If your Xbox is 90 degrees to the right, there we go. Now, me personally, I switched to console gaming for the first time since 2011. And I actually didn't know how to do this, so I'm making a tutorial on how to do it. So if you have any issues like me, then you'll be able to get it done. And you do need a disc in at all times. For the first time when I was ever playing, I didn't know this. Essentially, the reason why you want the disc in is because it reads the license off of the game. So it's not like you can put the disc in, download the files, and never put it in again. And so I advise you just keep your games close by. I have Black Ops 1, Black Ops 4 in here. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like. There is a full Xbox Series X how to playlist in the description. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.